Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Kai. Today we're going to learn basic self-introduction phrases in Japanese. If you like this content, please like and subscribe this channel. If you're interested in learning more Japanese, I also share contents on my own channel, Kai Kai Japanese. You'll find the link in the description. If you're just starting out with Japanese, this phrase will help you introduce yourself confidently. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start with greeting and then how to say your name and nice to meet you and other stuff. Okay? So first, let's start with the greeting. The most common ways to say hello is こんにちは. こんにちは. If it's morning, you can say おはようございます. おはようございます. And in the evening, you can say こんばんは. こんばんは. Next, let's introduce our name. You can say 私はです. Okay? 私は and you say your name and です. Okay? For example, my name is Kai, so I can say 私は Kai です. 私は Kai です. And here's a tip. If you want to sound more casual, you can drop 私は and just say your name です. For example, my case, Kai です. Okay? Next one is nice to meet you. When you're meeting someone for the first time, you can say はじめまして. 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 And after saying nice to meet you, you want to say where you're from. So, to tell someone where you're from, you can say 私は country name から来ました. Okay? 私は country name から来ました. For example, if you're from US, then you can say 私はアメリカから来ました. 私はアメリカから来ました. Okay? Next, let's talk about your job. You don't need to talk about it if you think it's not necessary. Okay? There are many ways to talk about your job, but for now, let's stick with the basic one. So you can say 私は then job です. Okay? 私は job です. For example, my case, I'm a teacher. And then teacher in Japanese, 先生. So I can say 私は先生です. Okay? 私は先生です. And if you're a company employee, you can say 私は会社員です. 私は会社員です. And if you are a student, you can say 私は学生です. 私は学生です. And if you are an engineer, you can say 私はエンジニアです. 私はエンジニアです. To finally, to wrap up your self-introduction, you can say よろしくお願いします. よろしくお願いします. Okay? I know it's really long, but please remember よろしくお願いします. Now let's put everything together. Here's a simple self-introduction. はじめまして。私は your name です. Country name から来ました. よろしくお願いします. In my case, I can say like this. はじめまして。私はカイです. 日本から来ました. よろしくお願いします. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to introduce yourself in Japanese. Keep practicing and you sound more confident every time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.